guys, today I'm going to take you through my skincare regime. So I've been using Environ skincare for the past 20 years. I can't believe it's been that long. It might even be more than that. But I've got a couple of add-on products that I want to share with you. So over the course of a month, I'm going to be trying out the Focus Care range by Environ. And these are products that promise more youthful, hydrated skin. So I've got 3 products that I'm going to be showing you guys today. We're going to start with the Avance Elixir from Focus Care Youth Plus. Then we're moving on to the Hydrating Oil Capsules from Focus Care Moisture Plus. And last and definitely not least, we've got the Revival Mask from Focus Care Youth Plus. So I'm going to start off with the Avance Elixir. It's like a watery consistency, watery gel. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and I'm applying it all over the face, but I'm really not dragging the skin. I'm doing this with a very, very light touch. You never ever want to pull at your skin when applying products. I have to say my skin was slightly damp from my toner and the product glided on beautifully. It's very, very cooling on the skin and it's almost feeling slightly tight, but definitely not uncomfortable. It has absorbed into the skin, so it's dry to the touch, but my skin feels very comfortable. Okay, so next up I'm moving on to the Hydrating Oil Capsules. Now, this for me is very luxurious. I just love it. It comes in these beautiful pearlescent capsules. And you can actually use them 2 ways. You can use them as your primary moisturizer, or you can mix it in with your chosen moisturizer. So to use it, you just twist off this top part, and then you squeeze the product onto your hand. I'm going to go in as my primary moisturizer, and that's what it looks like. Once again, I'm just taking my finger and very softly massaging it into the skin. It gives the skin this beautiful glow without looking overly oily. And I have to say, it really works into the skin beautifully. With whatever's left on the hand, I'm just pressing it into the skin. I can already feel it absorbing into the skin. It's not like an oil layer that just sits on the skin. It's really absorbing comfortably. It feels great. Okay, so next up, I'm going to go in with the Revival Mask. Now, this product is the holy grail, in my opinion. So I used to use this product. I was so blown away by the results. It's immediate results, and the long-term benefits are just undeniably good. But I couldn't use it as often as I wanted. You know, once you see the results, you're going to want to use it every day. And it actually irritated my skin a little bit, but since then they've changed the formulation and adapted it to a more comfortable pH, and I'm happy to report that I can use it as often as I want now with the same results. It's definitely a much more comfortable product. So you can use this mask 2 ways. You can use it as a 10 to 20 minute mask. That's when you cleanse and tone your skin and you apply a thin layer of the product, and then you just rinse it off after 10 to 20 minutes, and that's your mask for the day. And I love doing that before I go to events because it has such immediate and effective results that your skin will look glowing, and really it's taut but not uncomfortable. They call it a facelift in a jar, and that's exactly what it is. The second way you can use this mask is as an advanced overnight treatment, and that's exactly what we're going to do now. So I've cleansed, I've toned, and I've applied my Avance Elixir, the hydrating oil capsules, and now I'm giving that about 20 minutes just to settle into the skin, and then I'm going to go in with the mask. So it's been 20 minutes, and before I apply the mask, I want to show you the new packaging, because along with the adapted formulation, they came up with this brilliant packaging. Back in the day, you used to get a container like this, and it had a little spatula that you would scoop out a little bit of product and then apply it to the skin. Now they've come up with this gorgeous packaging and incredible pump that you just squeeze down, and the correct amount of product comes out without exposing the product or you having to redip the spatula. It's so much more hygienic, and quite frankly, it's very convenient. So you also get this little brush, and then you just take a little bit of the product and you apply it evenly across the face. So the skin almost has this tingling sensation. It's definitely, I find it quite enjoyable. I don't think it can be uncomfortable, but because I have been using these products, my skin definitely got used to it. So in the beginning, it was a little bit more tingling than before, and now it's just very comfortable and satisfying. So now the product is on, and I'm going to leave it on overnight, and tomorrow morning I'll just rinse it off and continue with my normal skincare regime. So just to recap, the Avance Elixir was so soothing to apply to the skin. It doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. It absorbs beautifully, and after a while your skin feels slightly taut, but definitely not in an uncomfortable way. Now, I've heard that a couple of people say that it interferes with their makeup should they use it in the daytime, and they were actually advised to only use it in the evening. Now, I've tried it in the mornings and in the evening, and I've applied makeup over it, and I didn't experience the same thing. For me, I think it's just from trying out these products. I'm about 2 weeks into my month trial, and my makeup just looked better than ever. I think my skin is just so hydrated at the moment, and the texture has changed. So for me, I can't say that the Avance Elixir did anything to my makeup. So the hydrating oil capsules, they're still the same formulation as before, so nothing has changed about the formulation, but it feels luxurious on the skin. It's really a treat for your skin, and it doesn't stay on the skin as an oil layer. It also absorbs beautifully, and it doesn't make you look too shiny, although you have this beautiful glow afterwards. I love this product. And then, of course, the Revival Mask, my holy grail product. This has forever changed my skin game. I promise you, from the first time that I tried this, my skin texture changed. It changed my skin game completely. It feels wonderful on the skin, and you can see such immediate results. It makes it so worth it to try. So overall, I've been loving using these products. If there's one I had to take with me on a desert island, it will definitely be the Revival Mask, but they work so well in conjunction, all three of these products, and anything for a little bit more youthful, hydrated skin. And there you have it. That's my skincare regime at the moment. This is not a paid post. I have been sent these products by Rubybox and Environ, but I have been using their products for more than 20 years, so I am more than happy to tell you how wonderful they really, really are. So I'm linking all the information down below. Go check them out, and I hope that you enjoyed this review. Bye.